Be sure to subscribe, sub the bell to never miss my video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another tutorial about YouTube logos. So in this tutorial, I will be telling you how to make this logo for free without Photoshop. Let's just start.
Everybody fucking jump!
First up, you have to depend on our from the link in the description below and go and open it. So we will be making this logo. So you should be a new 800 by 800. Okay, I'll do this. So now you have to add a new layer. Go to your tabs, write P, change the color. It's cool. And now it's 600, should be 500. Yeah, now it's put it in the middle. Now finish. Now effects. Get the in sketch and oh, sorry. You have to go to the all painting and now go to the 8. Yeah, click OK and now add a new layer. Go to the YouTube and search polygon background. So you choose anything. So I choose this background. So you have to copy image and Control V and then press Shift and drag it onto the layer. Now go to the layer 2. Take the measurement and put outside and Control inside also, and now go to the layer 3 and press delete, and now it's cool. Now you have to go to the effects and and go to the all painting again. So made the construct. Okay, cool. So now you can change the color of your by all here. Go to the hue saturation, change the color. It's cool. Click OK, and now add a new layer. Go to the Google and take a new polygon. Okay, I will choose this one. Now copy image and paste. Be sure keep them live, and now press shift full and put the layer above over here. Now you can go to the adjustment and you can change the color. Transcription. Yeah, now it's good. And click OK. And now effects, blur more. Oh, sorry. Effects, blur, emotion, and now it will loading. It should be 200. That's okay. I will rendering. and now scroll. Now you have to press escape, and now go to the paint, and it should be bigger. Press Ctrl to zoom out, and then it will make a light, and now dot the downside, and now here you go, it's your logo. Cool. You change all to anything to file, and go to file, save, loader. You save anything, PNG or save a desktop, and save, and click OK, and do flatten. So here it is your image. It's cool. So if you want to change anything, so there's no layers left, so you can go to the edit and do undo. Here it's from the layer. And thanks for watching the video. So hope you enjoy my video. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.
The beat drops out.